Euroflow Specialist Pumps, Drainage Range Information. With innovations such as smart technology that allows you to use the pumps without a control panel, an air valve that allows dry running and a phase rotation switch to prevent the pump from running backwards, the Grindex Tetra range is the ideal choice for your drainage requirements. Using your pump. Firstly, check the data plate on the top of the pump to ensure that you are working with the correct voltage, and also make sure that you have a sufficient supply for the size of the motor. When you are certain that your supply is sufficient, you can now plug in the pump. If the pump does not start immediately, turn the phase rotation switch to the opposite side. This is to ensure that the pump cannot rotate in the wrong direction. If you are operating the pump with a separate control panel, please refer to the QR code on the panel, or the manufacturer's operation manual for the setup procedure. By following the basic maintenance and inspection routine, you will help to increase the life and performance of your pump. Check your cables for damage or cuts, and never use the cable for lifting or dragging. The inspection chamber between the oil housing and the motor should be dry. Water or large amounts of oil indicates seal failure. Recommendation: inspection, twice a year or every 2,000 hours. Major overhaul, every year, under normal operating conditions. Example, running time 8 hours, 7 days a week means that 2,000 hours is reached after approximately 8 months. The oil chamber. The oil chamber should be completely filled with oil in order to ensure that the seal rings always are cooled and lubricated. The pressure equalizer in the oil compartment will be compressed when the oil expands due to the temperature rise. Always replace the pressure equalizer at service. Oil mixed with water has a milky grayish color. Clean oil is clear. A small volume of water in the oil is okay. How to change and adjust your impeller. First, remove the strainer. Then lock the impeller with a screwdriver and remove the impeller screw. Using a hexagon bit, turn the single impeller adjustment screw anti-clockwise and the impeller will break free. Now remove the suction cover. Remove the impeller. Remove the impeller adjustment screw. Prepare the adjustment screw by rotating until it is level with the edge of its holder. Once this is done, you can remount the adjuster onto the shaft. Now mount the impeller. Refit the suction tube and fasten down with its bolts. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise until the impeller touches the suction cover. Then tighten the screw another 1/8 turn, or 45 degrees. Fasten the impeller with the impeller bolt. As it tightens, lock the impeller with a screwdriver. Tighten the impeller to the correct torque setting. There is a torque setting guide at the end of this video. Make sure to tighten the screw an additional 1/8 of a revolution to ensure maximum load capacity of the joint. Put in new oil and then replace the strainer, and your pump is ready to use. Quick reference guides. These are the torque settings for your bolts. Electrical information for your single-phase, 230-volt pumps. Electrical information for your 3-phase, 400-volt pumps. Thank you for choosing our pumps. For any further information, please contact us on 0800 546 269, email us at sales@euroflow.com or visit our website at www.euroflow.com.